Hello everyone, my name is Dong, and today I want to talk about a book I read. The title of the book is Dolphins by Sharon Bukowski. This story is about a woman in the ocean. One night she fell into the water. She was in danger and very scared. Suddenly, a dolphin came. He stayed with her and helped her. The dolphin saved her life. I thought this funny and surprising. Funny because the dolphin was like a real hero. Surprising because I didn't know animals could be so kind. From this story, I learned dolphins are smart and helpful. But they are more than just animals in the sea. They can understand and even care about people. I like the ocean too. If I were the woman, I would say thank you, Dolphin. You are so brave. For me, this book was fun and interesting. I liked it because it showed how amazing dolphins are. I hope one day I can see a real dolphin in the ocean. Thank you for listening.